Bonjour, mes amis. I'm making a little video today to help you get started in Rosetta Stone. When you log into Blackboard, you're always going to check your announcements, right? And see what is going on for the week. So I've made two announcements so far. Here's the welcome to the class, watch my videos. And then I had an update that the updated course schedule will be uploaded soon. So you can see what is due every week. So this week, today, you did the welcome blog in the target language and you're sending me your contact information and honesty document. Then you may jump into the next week and I'd like you to get started with Rosetta Stone. Rosetta Stone has many benefits. I don't love it just by itself. So when you do activities, you learn lots of great vocabulary and grammar. But I don't want you to just stop there. I want you to do something with it. Otherwise, it's not going to stick. So over here in the menu bar, we've got announcements. We've got coursework. When you see coursework, that is going to be our units. So we've got the welcome unit. We've got La vie contemporaine, which is going to be our first unit. That is going to be the unit that's in Blackboard and in our book, my.hrw.com. But I want you to know that there is also at the, you will also have a Rosetta Stone content area. And in there, that explains what unit we're going to do and what I want you to do with it. So please read it carefully because it'll explain how to work Rosetta Stone. When you're ready, go to Rosetta Stone link. And you're going to use the password and login that has been sent to you. And I believe our password is just French. And I can double check that if it's not working. If you're going to make a PDF report for me, you're going to go into My Reports, and that's how you do that, and you're going to create a PDF. So when I say I want a report that's due, create a PDF, use Adobe, and then you're going to save it on your computer. I don't think I've done, oh, so it's not showing much. But as you can see, I was sampling with Unit 1, but I didn't finish it, did I? You can see that it's 95% complete. These are complete, but these are not. Unit 1, here is Unit 1, and here are the lessons. So when I say Unit 1, I want Unit 1, all of the components complete. Now, there's a lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. So we're going to start with lesson 1. So lesson 1, there's all of these, but I'm not done. And I don't know why lesson 2 comes in there, and then lesson 1, and then lesson 2, and then lesson 1. I don't know why they do that. I can't change it. Just make sure that all of the lesson is complete all the way to the review. So you're going to be submitting that to me for points on a regular basis. So I'm going to go back home and I'm going to start our learning and I'm going to launch my Rosetta Stone. And you're going to need a microphone or an internal mic. So you're going to have to give it just a minute to boot up. And we're going to start with level 4. And if we think that's too easy, we can move on to level 5. So let's start with level 4. And I previewed this and I wanted to choose something that at least kind of went with what we're learning. So I decided that Unit 1 is our best. So when you look at Unit 1, which is where we are, you can scroll down here to explore the activities. And we're going to do all of these. Okay? So you could, the core lesson is basically everything. And I'm going to restart my activity just so it looks like it's for the first time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had to set up my recorder there, and it took it. So now it knows my voice, and it's letting me
J'ai
know.
voyagé dans beaucoup de pays.
So now you're gonna guess. I traveled in a lot of countries. I think it's this one.
J'ai voyagé dans beaucoup de pays.
Well, there's a girl and she's got luggage and it didn't take this one. Maybe it's this one. No.
J'ai voyagé dans beaucoup de
So it
pays.
repeats. Oh, there it
Quand
is.
elle voyage, elle prend beaucoup de valises.
When she travels, she takes a lot of luggage. Ooh, I wonder if it's that one. Oh, there it is.
Je voyage en train.
There. Oh, that looks like a train station. And, oh, we already did that one. Here she is. I know it kind of looks like a plane, but here it's a train. So you get to experiments. So we went ahead and did this, and I'm going to stop it here. We went ahead and did this because I thought it could start with what we're doing in our lesson, which is in Unit 8 of my.hrw.com. And make sure that you're always opening up your my.hrw.com when we're not using Rosetta Stone. And make sure that you're always accessing. You should be set up in your book for the third year red book. And then we're going to go all the way. Did I do Unit 8 or is it 7? I believe it's Unit 8. I'll show here just a second. Thanks for your patience. Everything loads. I recommend when you work in this class, you just get everything open and have all your tabs ready to go. En ville, in town. So we're going to start with tourism and visiting cities. So enjoy, bonne chance, and let me know if you have any questions.